The majority of people place becoming wealthy quite high on their list of financial ambitions and objectives. After all, it will give you more options in addition to greater financial stability. Naturally, you would be able to spend more money on the items you want. The issue with the notion of becoming rich, however, is that it requires a significant amount of time and effort. Get-rich-quick schemes are typically nothing more than a ruse to take advantage of people who are having financial difficulties. Unless you were born into a wealthy family and received a sizable inheritance, you will likely have to work hard and use good financial judgment in order to become affluent. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. 1. Prevent debt, and pay it off. While debt is not always a bad thing, it is generally something that should be avoided. For instance, student loans may be advantageous if they support your pursuit of a successful career and the principal and interest rate are reasonable. 2. Make deliberate purchases and cut costs. It's crucial to cut costs and spend with greater intention if you want to become wealthy. This is the second step, even though it ought to be the first one you complete. You must adhere to a budget if you want to spend wisely and cut costs. 3. Put as much money as you can into a portfolio that is diverse. Although there are restrictions on how much you can contribute to an IRA or 401k, those restrictions are so high that many people are unable to meet them. If you decide to invest more, you can always do so in a taxable brokerage account. There is no upper limit to the amount of investment you should make if you want to become wealthy. There are numerous alternative investment techniques, but the majority of financial professionals advise investing primarily in stocks. Some advocate owning less real estate or even making speculative investments. Burrow suggests a portfolio made up of 65% stocks, 25% real estate, and 10% of your preferred speculative asset. 5. Advance your career. Greater financial security cannot be replaced. There are limitations to how much you can reduce your spending, but theoretically there are no restrictions on how much more money you may make. Make sure to always save more than you spend as you develop in your career, business, or primary occupation when you receive raises and see an increase in your gross income, said Burrow. A plan to become wealthy as quickly as possible will unquestionably fail due to lifestyle cost creep. 5. Look for extra work. The concept of a side business is nothing new, but if you have some free time and are willing to work a few more hours per week, it can be a great way to boost your income. Finding flexible work is simple thanks to the gig economy and companies like Uber and TaskRabbit. Additionally, lists of different kinds of side businesses can be found online in abundance. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.